Hi guys, welcome back to PSR Tech Solution channel. Today I will show you new video how to create YouTube thumbnail image using online website and how to add into your YouTube channel video. I will tell all the steps. Please watch this video till end. Let's start. Go to Google Chrome and search with this word create thumbnail size for YouTube. After search, you can click on the first link, free YouTube thumbnail maker. Let's click. After that, you will get this type of a dashboard. Click start designing a YouTube thumbnail. You will get many templates. Let's add one template for check how to do that. So here, as per your video content, you can change your text. So if you want, you can change. I'm keeping same for to demo to you. And after changes, if you need, you can do also animate. You can add some effect also. You can change the color and the font size also. You can change it. And if you want to new image also, you can add it. So we can do many things on this site. After complete, you can click on share and download and click on download. So now it is downloading. Just wait few seconds. Let's give name YouTube thumbnail. So now we can go to our YouTube channel. I will show you how to add that thumbnail. Let's click on the video, and here you will get the options upload thumbnail. Now I'm going to my folder where I saved. So here I saved, right? You can select and open it. Now you can see it has already added. You can click on save. Thank you watching for this video. If this video will help you, please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get my new videos. See you guys on next video. Thank you.